Good morning everyone, it is the first day in my apartment. Today I'm going to be unpacking some boxes because everything is still on the floor, needs to be sorted, and I can barely walk in my own living room. And I also need to get a microwave because I don't have a microwave yet, and I need to call the internet company because my modem is not connecting for some reason. But first we need to get a coffee. Really good actually. I try to make my own coffee, but sometimes when I'm feeling lazy or when I'm feeling like I just want to treat myself or have something a little bit different, I do like to get coffee out. So now that I'm caffeinated, I need to sort out some sections of my place. So I don't know if you can see, but that behind me is the kitchen. It doesn't look like a kitchen at the moment, it just looks like a storage cage. I've managed to stack all of my partner's stuff in that corner there, and the living room is a little bit more freer now. I can actually walk through it without stepping on something. I think my next plan of attack is to hang all of my clothes. So currently all of my clothes are in a suitcase. Okay, so the wardrobe is a little bit better now. So I can actually start picking out clothes. I'm gonna leave the bedroom at that. It's not fully tidy yet. I do still have a bed frame to put on my mattress. Currently it's on the floor, but I need to tackle some other things because this can wait. What I need to do now is just start setting up the dining table, which is gonna go around here, and then lay a carpet on the floor there. So I have just finished setting up the dining table and it looks really freaking good. I really like it. But I'm going to have a break now. I'm gonna eat. I haven't eaten all day. It's currently 2:30 in the afternoon. So I'll check back with you guys later. It is currently 5 p.m. The day has just flown by, but I'm glad that I kind of achieved a lot. So, why is this so hard to remove from the box? Or am I just stupid? Okay. My goodness. My God. So that's the microwave. This is gonna go on top here. So that's where the microwave is. And it's just sitting on top of my fridge like that. So let's unload the groceries. So what I got is oil spray because I like to use oil but not too much. Then this 7-liter bin. I'm going to make a chicken mince vegetables. So I got broccoli. Maybe I should clean it first actually. Salsa mix, chicken mince, some capsicum, and 2 pre-packaged meals. This is a lemon chicken and a Cajun chicken. I think I deserve a bit of a break. I'm so exhausted. I've been non-stop all day. So now I'm just gonna chill, listen to some music. Alright, today has been a super busy day. We just got back from our old place and collected the rest of the stuff that was left there. And tomorrow is gonna be professionally clean and we're officially handing over the keys. It was a bit of a bittersweet feeling leaving that place. We did stay there for 1 year and it really felt like home. What did you think?
Yeah, it was such a lovely house. This was the first place we lived together.
But I'm going to end this video here because I want to relax. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you on the next one.